Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Paid in Foreign Exchange channel, y'all, where we get paid in foreign exchange, man. Happy New Year. It is 2025, January 1st. This video is a little late, right? So for all my folks that's up late night, gonna catch this. Some of y'all might catch it tomorrow. Either way, I want to drop some value today, right? This is something me and my wife are actually doing right now live. And I say, you know what? Why not record it? I'm going to give y'all a lot of game this year, a lot of value this year, all year long. And so why not jump right into it? Okay. So first things first, there's two common questions that I get asked. We're going to get right into it. Laderick, how much money should I start with trading? I'm new to this. All right. I've demoed and I'm ready to trade live. How much should I start with? Y'all get the $5 and $10 flips out y'all head right now. All right, I know you seeing the YouTubers do that, and it's amazing. They are some amazing traders. I watch it. I'm inspired by it. But you got to understand that it's very difficult to do. Why? Because you don't have the discipline that they have. They've been trading for years. So they have the discipline. It takes discipline to flip a small account, especially that small. All right? Even $100 is going to take some discipline. All right. Now, if you're someone who you're not caught up in the hoopla, right? Because a lot of us, I'm gonna indict myself. When I first started, I was seeing traders make, $3,000-4,000 a trade, $10,000 a week, $20,000 weeks, 50K months, and so me trading my little amounts and my little 0.01s, making $5, $10, $15, nothing compared to what they doing. That can let you down a little bit. That can be like, man, what am I doing? I need to up the ante. And you get to up in the ante and up in your lot size, and before you know it, you're blowing your account because you're over leveraging. Right? So I would say a great amount would be around $500 to $1,000. That gives you wiggle room for drawdown. Okay, you want to learn this skill set because drawdown is not something that you just want to go in, but it's inevitable. It's going to happen in the trade market. Just be real with you. You're going to experience drawdown, but you want to be able to have some wiggle room to where your margin level is not cutting on because you're over leveraging or your account is just so small. Once you go on a little drawdown, you're in the margin, and before you know it, it's closing you out the trade. Money gone. All right, so $500 to $1,000. All right, me and my wife right now we are gearing up for 2025 trade, and we said we're going to start out with $1,100 on our account. So as you can see, my live account has $1,100. All right, but to give y'all some sauce real quick, some of y'all may be hip to this, some of you may not, but I hope this helps someone. The second question I get is, Laderick, now that I have money on my account, what should be my lot size? Great question. I'm glad you asked, right? But it's really not that hard. You actually have the answer right in front of you. What are you looking at? You're looking at my demo account. What's the balance? $1,100. All right. So all I do is, no matter if I'm put a trade $500 on my put 500 on my account, my live account. If I put 2,000 on my live account, if I put 5,000 on my live account, really doesn't matter. What you have to do is go create a demo account first. Give me out some sauce. Even if you're doing the prop firm challenge, before you jump into that prop firm challenge, I won my first prop firm challenge ever. My first time doing the prop firm challenge, I was able to win it. Why? Because I already practiced on the demo the amount I was going to do. So I knew, boom, 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 the right lot sizes, right? I knew how much I could risk, right? I knew what my, if far as pip wise, how many pips I should be able to go for. If my stop loss, what it would be. All that works in your favor when you do it on a demo first. The beautiful thing about trading, y'all, is that you can actually practice in the real markets, right? You can actually practice with a demo account. Do not go at people say, nah, I don't do the demo, go straight live and blow your money. Right? I agree you should jump out there and trade live eventually, but the demo first, right? If you're gonna start with $100, that's cool, right? But demo the $100 first so you can know, so you can get a feel, so you can see, what the risk is gonna be. If you start to go in drawdown, what's that gonna look like? Right? You need to know. And so the demo is perfect for it. Okay? So have a $1,100 account. After I have my balance, I then go to the charts. All right, and I go to each instrument I know that I use. All right, first things first is currency pairs. All right, Understand that currency pairs are different than indices. They are different than metals. What's your metals? The most metal everybody trade is gold, right? Indices, you got your NAS 100, you got your US 30, your S&P 500, right? I typically trade NAS and US 30, gold, and then I do EU and I do GJ. So I go and I test them, okay? So first things first, y'all, we on EU, market looking bullish, all right? I'm going to try a point 0.5 to see what a point 0.5 looks like if I was to place a trade, right? So I click buy, all right? Couple things I'm looking for. How much was the commission? You want to know that. This is why we have Liquid Charts and Liquid Charts Pro. I like Liquid Charts because of the trading view, feel, and look, right? I go to Liquid Charts Pro because it just has all the details I need. So as you can look down here, it does all the heavy lifting for me. Look at the commission, $3.50. All right. Next thing I do is I set my TPs and my stop losses, right? So let me scoot myself over here just a little bit, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this gear icon, okay? So I want to know what the TP is going to be if I do 20 pip. We're going to do a 1 or 2. So I'm going to do a 20 pip TP, right? And I'm going to do a 10 pip stop loss. Now, if you look down here, it shows my profit potential. My profit potential says $103 if I go for a 1 or 2. All right? 10 pip stop loss, $45. So am I willing to risk $45, right, to make 100? Right? But am I willing to lose $100 on my account? Right? I go back to Liquid Charts. All right, and I look, see what they look like. Right, once you set your TP, you can see about how far you got to go. You can go ahead. Now, we're not getting into the trading if this zones and things like that. I'm not looking for that right now. What I'm looking for is just testing the markets. These are not based on setups. So for some of you all who just, man, I wouldn't even took that trade. Listen, this is not that. This is I'm literally on here to verify what my risk management is going to be. What lot sizes can I use? Okay. Then we got that cut out the bag. So I don't need people in the comments saying, bro, he ain't no trader. I would have took. Anyway, the market is bullish. You see, I'm in profit. All right, but let's keep going. All right, so I see that. Boom. Now I know. All right, and I go from there. Sometimes, I might say, okay, you know what? I'm willing to risk a little bit more than that. So, I close out the trade. I'm going to close in profit real quick. Boom. All right, and then I can up the ante. And I'm wasn't even on the same deal on her. Let's go. Euro USD. All right, and we can say, let me go back to charts, and we can say, you know what? That wasn't too bad. Let me see what the standard look like. All right, because on currency pairs you can typically, risk a little bit more. So we're going for a buy. What? Let me switch the time frame real quick. This look like it's doing something different. All right, yep. So we dropping down a little bit. Again, we're not really trading. Let me. We ain't worry about that. Okay, so boom, we're just going in for another buy. We bullish. Okay. Now the standard. All right. I want to see. First of all, it's good to see we in drawdown. You need to know what the drawdown is going to look like when it start going against you. But also, what was the commission? The commission was $7. Okay. Now let's try them TPs again at one standard. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna set my TP at 20 pips. Right, and I'm going to set my stop loss at 10 pips. Okay, boom. A 1 to 2 gives me $198. My loss potential is $102. Am I willing to risk 102 to make 198? That's simple, y'all. That's all I do. All right. So now that I know that, I write it down in my notebook, my trading, one of my trading journals. All right. So now I know how I'm going to approach the market once I see my setups on the currency pair. Okay, let's get out for this one. We're going to go and test the NASDAQ. All right. So now it's 100. Yeah, show me some love, man. Some of y'all, I know you probably don't do this, but I guarantee you're gonna start implementing it. All right. Instead of y'all just jumping out there willy-nilly and blowing your accounts, this is the best thing to do, especially if you're trading a prop firm as well. Man, whatever prop firm challenge you taking, especially if you take one of the big boys, the $100,000 accounts, the $200,000 accounts. You need to know what they look like. You need to know what your risk management can be. You need to know what your lot size. You got to know all of that. Okay, and so you just set it up on the demo. But boom, NAS 100. You see, we got a 0.25. I like that. I'm gonna drop that down to a 0.20 though. All right, it's a nice little uptrend. We getting a little rejection, but we bouncing off the 20. Getting a little respect going for the buy at 0.20. All right. First thing I do is come back over to my pro. The commission was $1.40. Right. Set my TPs. I got 20 pips TP. I got a 10 pip stop loss. 25 to 35, I don't like that, right? So I'm gonna go a little deeper than that. I'm gonna go, let's go 50 pips, all right? And I'm still going 10 pip stop loss, all right? I like that a little bit better, all right? So now I'm willing to risk $20 to make 90. You know what I'm saying? Depending on the setup. This is all based on you and how you feeling, okay? Now you can see I'm on a different pair, but because I'm in the trade, these are the same accounts. That's why I'm showing it down here. But if I need to go see what it look like, just get up here and change it real quick, y'all. Cause I know y'all probably looking like, hold on, it ain't the same thing. Boom, there it is. All right, so that's NAS 100. Like I said, I just go back, boom. That's simple, y'all. And then you do the same thing for gold. I didn't want to make this video too long. Just based off of what you're trading, you need to know what your risk management looks like, what your lot sizes look like, and you're good to go. Okay, and then the last thing, go set up the compound calculator. Go to the compound calculator, compounddaily.org. All right, put in what your initial amount is. All right, let me scoot myself out the way a little bit. Scoot yourself out the way. Whatever your percentage is going to be, right? How much you're going to risk, how much you're trying to make, right? My goal is 10% a day, all right, for 30 days. Reinvesting 100%, right? And then this is what it looks like. Within a month time frame, we're looking at $19,000 if we were able to follow that, okay? And it shows you what you're trying to make on a daily basis. I love the compound daily calculator, y'all. 110 the first day, 121 day 2, 133 day 3, so on and so forth. That's simple, okay? So y'all, get to it, all right? If you don't have a Liquid Charts account right now, go set it up. I got a link in the description. All right, go ahead and set up your free account and get to this money, y'all. All 2025. A lot of my mentors that I rock with, that I've learned from, are predicting these next 4 years to be very profitable for traders, man. But you got to learn the skill set first, all right? I do have a free course that I'm giving away, free trading course, as long as you come in under my Liquid Charts account. We're going to have a Telegram group later on in the year. Right now, we're not doing signals, y'all, but trust me, it's coming. I got something amazing set up, man, for everybody. So be on the lookout for that. But for all new traders, man, if you're a beginner trader, you've never traded before, I have a free beginner course for you. If you're already familiar with trading, man, this is probably not for you. You probably don't even need it. Some of the basic stuff, right? You can learn on YouTube, right? But for those who are looking to get involved, all right, you don't really know too much about trading and you want to learn, I got a real simple course with strategies in there showing you exactly what to do and how to do it to get to the money. All right, all you have to do is join me. All right, click the link for Liquid Brokers, and we good to go. All right, send me a message. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my Facebook and Instagram on there, so you can either hit me on Facebook or you can hit me on Instagram. Let me know, hey, I just set up me a free account. Can I get that free course? And I got you. All right, we good to go, man. So listen, again, y'all keep God first, man. Everything else gonna fall into place, y'all. Matthew 6:33. Seek ye first the kingdom of heaven and His righteousness, and all other stuff will be added. All right, that's the word. All right, and if that's what it's saying. The word, it can't come back void, y'all. It's going to happen. You just gotta trust the process. Okay, I'm excited. My wife is excited. My son is excited, and everybody that's jumping aboard the PNFX brand is excited, y'all. We already got a lot of team members jumping on board and trading with us, y'all. We started towards the end of the year, and we for the kick button take names. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell, man, so you get notified when I drop a video. Hit the like button. Show me some love, man. Give me some love back, and I'm gonna continue to pour, all right, into the community. I'm excited to be a part of, this trading industry, man. I got a lot to give, And I'm gonna do it all out of love, man. You know what I'm saying? No egos here. Not trying to be the man. Just trying to help, man. Just trying to help. We gonna eat. If you want to eat, come eat with us, man. Cause there's plenty of room, y'all. Plenty of room. This is a $1 trillion industry, right? Ain't no gatekeeping over here. It's a $1 trillion industry, y'all. It's a lot of money to be made. Do not miss this. All right. Love y'all. See y'all on the next video. Stay tuned. Hold me accountable because I'm gonna be dropping a lot of content, man. Share this video with somebody else that need to know this when it comes to a prop firm or just how much they need to start with. Free game. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.